My name is Maria Teresa, and I have just finished my studies, Bachelor in Computer Science, at the Rovira I Virgili University. To further my studies, I now want to enroll in a cybersecurity master's degree at Cybersecurity University. Let's see how I can enroll quickly and easily, thanks to the potential and trust provided by EBSI. To make use of EBSI capabilities using verifiable credentials, I downloaded from Apple Store an EBSI ESIF compliant wallet from a Spanish self-sovereign identity solution provider called GATACA. We will start the demonstration by showing the contents of the wallet. To open the wallet, we are asked for biometric authentication that protects its content. As we can see, the wallet has two main sections, credentials and services. In the credential section we find my credentials. Let's now specifically look at the student credential, student ID, that the Rovira I Virgili University issued to me when I enrolled. This credential will allow me, as we will see later, to access the personalized services that the Rovira I Virgili University offers to me from the virtual campus, including the option of issuing my bachelor degree. The second section of the wallet shows the service data, where we find the entities with whom I have given data sharing consent, and for each of them we can see in detail the data that I have given consent to and I am sharing. At all times I can control the data shared with each entity and revoke consent. Once the structure of the wallet has been shown, I will enroll at the Cybersecurity Master's degree in the Cybersecurity University. To do so, I go to the Cybersecurity Master's website and click on the option Apply Now. The university shows two options to do the enrollment. The first, more traditional, where we should fill in all the fields required manually, and that will require a process of verification of the information that can last up to 15 days. The second option is to enroll using the EBSI ESIF capabilities. We will click on the Connect with EBSI option to enroll. By clicking, we see that the university shows us a QR code with the request to share the data required to enroll. I scan this QR code with my wallet, and I can see the detail of the information that the university requires from me. We can observe that I lack data, specifically the bachelor's degree, which is a requirement for enrolling in the master's degree. I then go back to the Rovira I Virgili University to request the issuance of the bachelor's degree using EBSI. Once on the Rovira I Virgili University website, we click on the button to access to the virtual campus. In order to authenticate, I will use the student ID that I already have available in my wallet. Thus, by clicking on the Access Virtual Campus button, Rovira I Virgili University generates a QR code that I will open with my wallet, and I will be able to access to the content of the virtual campus instantly, given that I had already given consent to the university to access my student ID credential. Once on the virtual campus, I access to my profile, where you can see that I have finished my Bachelor in Computer Science, and I have enabled the option to download my credential. I click on Download Credential button, and the university generates a QR code that I scan with my wallet, where I can see the information that the university asks me to issue my bachelor's degree. Once I confirm that I have all the data required in my wallet, I give consent to share it with the university. My wallet then generates a verifiable presentation and shares it with the university. The university analyzes the information, verifies it cryptographically, generates the diploma, and sends it to my wallet, where it is downloaded and stored. We see now that in the credentials section of my wallet, it appears my bachelor degree issued by the Rovira I Virgili University. If I look into the detail of this credential, we can see, at the top right side of my wallet, an EIDAS logo, as the credentials, the Bachelor Verifiable Credentials, in form of verifiable attestation, has been signed using the EIDAS bridge. Clicking on the EIDAS icon in the wallet, it will show us the e-seal information of EIDAS of the Fábrica Nacional de Moneda Tamboré, FNMT, which is a trusted qualified service provider in Spain. Now, we have all the necessary data to be able to enroll in the Cybersecurity Master using EBSI. Now I come back to the Cybersecurity Master's website, and I will enroll using the EBSI option. When I click to the Apply Now option, the university shows the QR code to request the generation of the verifiable presentation with the required data to do the enrollment. I scan the QR code with my wallet and I can check that, now, I have all the required data, including the bachelor's degree, issued by the Rovira I Virgili University. I give consent to generate the verifiable presentation and share it with the Cybersecurity University. In this challenge/response process, EBSI provides the verification and trust of the issuers and its DIDs. Once the consent has been given, the form has been automatically filled in, with all the required data, the information has been validated and verified through EBSI, and I am already enrolled. In the Services section of the wallet, we can see how the Cybersecurity University has been added, and I will also be able to manage the data that I shared with it. We have arrived to the end of the demonstration. As we can see, EBSI, ESIF, and the Diploma use case facilitate the identity, the authentication, the access to services, the issuance of the diploma, and the enrollment process. Thank you.